Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vishnu here. In this video, we are going to see about the workshop which is conducted by Nxtwave CCBP Academy at 30th July. And in this workshop, they discussed about generative AI applications, tools used to build generative AI applications, and nuts and bolts of the workshop. Let's see about the generative AI applications. Generative AI applications can produce text, speech, music, image, and even videos. Many tools are involved in building these applications. Example, WriterMe, Speechify, DALL-E 2, MusicGen, and Runway ML. WriterMe is used to generate text by the description you give to the generative AI, and Speechify can produce your audio, and DALL-E 2 can generate images. MusicGen is used to generate music, and Runway ML can generate videos. The nuts and bolts involved in the workshop are LLM. It is nothing but large language model and Hugging Face. Gradio is used in the workshop to develop the simple applications and vector bases. OpenAI APIs can generate token for building the applications. Voice cloning is used to generate the voice by the samples given by you, and they can generate a result for your questions. And finally, Google Colab is a overall environment that is used to develop the applications. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.